Are tool changes and poor chip evacuation slowing you down? Okuma's revolutionary high-pressure coolant system is engineered to solve these challenges. Our advanced technology delivers a precise high-pressure coolant stream directly to the cutting zone, extending tool life, improving chip removal, and delivering superior surface finishes. The key benefits of using this system includes extended tool life, less heat, less wear, and fewer replacements, enhanced chip evacuation. It clears chips fast and protects your tools and workpieces. Exceptional surface finish, smooth and accurate every time. Increased productivity, with an increase in cutting or spindle speed by 20% or more. Easy integration, a complete system with the wiring harness and software included. Think of it as a serious upgrade for your CNC machine. More uptime, better quality, and real savings. Let our team help you find the perfect fit.